Bluevine Business Checking Account Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're a small business owner or entrepreneur looking to simplify banking in 2025, you may have come across Bluevine Business Checking. It promises high interest rates, no monthly fees, and a fully digital banking experience. But with so many online business banking options available, is Bluevine really worth it or should you leave it behind? Today, we'll break down everything you need to know, from account features to fees, benefits, and potential drawbacks, so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with the basics. Bluevine is a digital bank that specializes in business accounts. Unlike traditional banks with physical branches, Bluevine operates entirely online, meaning you manage your checking account through their website or mobile app. This approach allows them to offer perks like no monthly maintenance fees and higher interest rates, because they don't carry the overhead of brick-and-mortar locations. But most people get this wrong. They assume digital banking always means limited services, but Bluevine is designed specifically to meet the needs of modern small businesses. One of the biggest draws of Bluevine Business Checking is its high interest rate. As of 2025, the account offers competitive interest on balances up to $100,000. This is a huge benefit for small businesses with idle cash, because traditional business checking accounts often provide little to no interest. For example, if your account balance averages $50,000, you could earn several $100s annually just by keeping your funds in Bluevine. That may not seem huge, but over time, it can make a real difference in your business cash flow. Opening a Bluevine account is straightforward. You can typically sign up in less than 10 minutes with minimal paperwork. You'll need basic business information such as your employer identification number (EIN) or social security number if you're a sole proprietor, and a few details about your business operations. There's no minimum balance requirement, which is a huge advantage for startups and small businesses that are still growing. Many traditional banks require hundreds or thousands of dollars just to open an account, which can be a barrier for new business owners. The Bluevine Business Checking Account also includes a business debit card, which is linked to your checking account. You can use this card anywhere Visa is accepted, both online and in stores. The card integrates with digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, allowing for contactless payments. In 2025, this has become almost essential, as more vendors and customers expect digital payment options. Additionally, Bluevine provides free bill pay, making it easier to manage recurring expenses such as rent, utilities, or supplier payments directly from the account. One feature that sets Bluevine apart from many competitors is its unlimited transactions. Some digital business accounts limit the number of monthly transactions or charge fees after a certain threshold. Bluevine allows unlimited ACH transfers, online payments, and check deposits without extra charges, which is ideal for businesses with frequent payments or payroll processing. The surprising truth is that transaction limits can cost businesses hundreds in fees each year if they aren't careful, so unlimited transactions can be a significant cost saver. For businesses that still handle checks, Bluevine makes it simple to deposit them digitally. You can deposit checks directly through the mobile app using your phone's camera. Funds are typically available quickly, often within the same business day for approved checks. This feature is particularly valuable for businesses that receive client payments via check, reducing the need to visit a branch or deposit in person. You won't believe how many business owners underestimate the time saved with remote check deposit. It can free up hours every week that would otherwise be spent traveling to a bank. Security is another area where Bluevine shines. The platform uses encryption and fraud monitoring to protect your business funds. Your deposits are FDIC insured up to $250,000 per account holder, which provides peace of mind similar to traditional banks. Many small business owners worry that digital-only banks might be riskier, but Bluevine's security measures are robust and comparable to major banks. Now, let's talk about fees, or rather, the lack of them. Bluevine Business Checking has no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance fees, and no incoming wire fees. Outgoing domestic wire transfers do carry a fee, but this is common across nearly all business accounts. There are also fees for expedited transfers or international wires. Overall, the low fee structure makes Bluevine attractive for small businesses looking to reduce overhead. Most people get this wrong. Even digital banks can have hidden fees, but Bluevine is transparent, which is refreshing in the banking world. Bluevine also offers integrated financial tools to help manage cash flow. You can track account activity, categorize expenses, and export transactions for accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. This simplifies bookkeeping and makes tax preparation easier. For business owners juggling multiple financial responsibilities, Having these tools in one place can save significant time and reduce errors. In fact, automated expense tracking can prevent costly mistakes that might otherwise slip through manual record keeping. However, there are some limitations to consider. Because Bluevine operates fully online, there are no physical branches. This can be a drawback for businesses that need frequent cash deposits, as depositing large amounts of cash may require alternative solutions or partner networks. Additionally, Bluevine doesn't currently offer business loans directly through the checking account, though they do provide lines of credit separately. If you're looking for a bank that offers all services under one roof, including in-person support, Bluevine may not meet all your needs. Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine a small marketing agency with $60,000 in monthly revenue. They use Bluevine for payroll, vendor payments, and everyday expenses. The high-interest checking balance earns extra revenue, unlimited transactions prevent surprise fees, and remote check deposits save several hours each month. The agency can easily integrate with accounting software, streamlining bookkeeping and preparing for tax season. While they may occasionally need alternative methods to deposit cash, the overall convenience and efficiency make Bluevine a strong choice for their business. When comparing Bluevine to competitors in 2025, it stacks up well. Other digital business accounts like Novo, Mercury, or Axos also offer online banking and low fees. Bluevine differentiates itself with high-interest checking, unlimited transactions, and robust integration with business accounting tools. It may not be ideal for businesses that require in-person support or extensive cash handling, but for many small businesses, it's a compelling option. In conclusion, Bluevine Business Checking in 2025 is worth considering if you value a fully digital experience, low fees, high interest earnings, and streamlined business tools. It's particularly suitable for small businesses, freelancers, and startups that want to reduce banking overhead and simplify financial management. On the other hand, if your business relies heavily on cash deposits or in-person support, you may need to explore additional options or use Bluevine alongside a traditional bank. Overall, Bluevine offers a flexible, secure, and efficient banking solution for modern small businesses. The surprising truth is that digital banking for businesses is no longer just a convenience. It can actively improve cash flow, reduce costs, and save time. For many business owners in 2025, Bluevine is not just worth it, it may be one of the smartest choices for managing a business checking account.